In this video, we're going to talk about some function evaluation examples. So just playing around with function notation and being able to evaluate a function based on what's given as the input. So for this example, we have f of x is equal to x squared plus the square root of x minus 4. We're being asked to compute f of 5, f of x plus 3, and f of x squared. All right, so remember that function notation means whatever is inside the parentheses, that's what we're going to plug in for the x. In this case, we see f of 5, so we're going to take out the 5, and take out the x and plug in 5. So when we put in 5, we get 5 squared plus the square root of 5 minus 4. 5 squared is 25. 5 minus 4 is 1. Square root of 1 is just 1, so we get 26 in that case. For the second one, this asks for f of x plus 3. Now again, this does not mean take f of x and add 3 on the end. Okay, very important. This means we're going to take out the x and put in the x plus 3 in its place. So in this case, we'll have x plus 3 quantity squared, because we took out the x and put in x plus 3, plus square root of, again, take out the x, put in x plus 3. So square root of x plus 3 minus 4. Now, there's not a lot we can do with this, but we can FOIL out, distribute out the x plus 3 quantity squared. We'll get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Make sure you actually distribute that out, right? The squared is not just square to the individual terms in a sum. We actually have to do the distributive property, actually have to FOIL it out. Here, x plus 3 minus a 4 just gives us x minus 1, and that's as good as we can get. Last one, f of x squared, we'll take out the x, put in x squared. So we get x squared squared, and then plus the square root of x minus 4. X squared squared, remember you multiply exponents in this case, so we get x to the 4th, and then plus square root of x minus 4. And as tempting as it is, we cannot break up that square root. Square roots do not break up over sums. This is not the same thing as x minus 2. Best you got is square root of x squared minus 4. Literally, it's it. Don't try to do anything more with it because you can't. Okay?